Desi Chinese has such a unique style that it combines both Indian and Chinese food and ingredients. You know what is the most amazing part about this? Is that it has such a huge impact on our culture that we have actually begun to believe that Desi Chinese is authentic Chinese. You can't keep me away from it. I simply love it. I'm making the paneer chili, a Desi Chinese preparation, at the request of one of my followers. Come, let's eat. Paneer chili needs to be coated in a starch batter and fried until crisp. We need a slurry, 1 spoon of refined flour and 2 spoons of corn flour. Into this goes in 30 ml of water and simply mix this thoroughly into a smooth batter, which we also call a slurry. We need the consistency to be coating the paneer cubes. Take 250 grams of paneer and dust that with 2 spoons of corn flour. Simply mix this gently and to that add in your corn flour slurry, mixing this gently once again. We're now ready to deep fry our paneer cubes. The oil is medium hot. In goes in the coated paneer cubes. Do not stir it for at least 30 seconds initially. After which you may stir it, turn the cubes till lightly tinged in brown. Do not over fry, it only hardens the paneer. Take a wok, heat it to smoking hot. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Can you see the wok smoking up? This is necessary. We call it wok high or the breath of the wok. This infuses the flavor to your Chinese food. In goes in spring onion whites, capsicum cubes, and fresh chilies sliced. Stir this, mix this, let the breath of the wok infuse the veggies. Sear this for a little more than a few seconds. Let the bite, the crunch, and the color remain as it lightly sears and browns. Once done, remove it and keep it aside. In the same wok, add in 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Once again, watch the breath of the wok. Can you see it smoking up? Into that go in dried red chilies broken into pieces, green and white scallion of spring onion, 30 grams of chopped garlic, 30 grams of chopped ginger. Stir it. Let the wok high do its magic. Now add in 3/4 cup of Szechuan chutney or sauce. Stir it. Let the flavors build. Add in 1 cup of vegetable stock and let the liquid boil. We're going to thicken this sauce with a slurry, but it needs to be boiling before we add any more ingredients. A teaspoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of green chili sauce. I prefer it. Of course, you could add in the red chili. And we're making the slurry to thicken our sauce. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch only, mixed with water, mixed well, and added into the boiling sauce. The sauce needs to be boiling when you add. Mix it, stir it. More importantly, cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. You may want to add some water to get the consistency right. Half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of MSG for that restaurant flavor. In goes in the sauteed vegetables. Look at those beautiful colors. Lastly, the paneer cubes. Get ready for that spice bomb of flavors. You can eat this with fried rice or with noodles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come, let's eat.